So we're starting to take off the rocker cover. We've took off this air intake pipe here off the manifold.
Chuck that in a bucket.
Yep. Otherwise you lose that one again. Put a tool down, don't know where you put it.
Trouble working outside.
So the rocker cover is off. It's quite clean in there. There's only a little bit of rot that's wasn't originally in there. That's come from us. Yeah, look at that. Better than we expected, that's for sure. A lot better than we expected. So there's the cover. It was starting to rot on one side there and get a hole.
Right. So on these you've got inlet, exhaust. That one's an exhaust. That's an inlet. That's an inlet. That's an exhaust. That's an exhaust, and that's an inlet.
And you said these are the tappets.
And they're the tappets, yeah. And you got your tappets, and then you got your push rods.
And you say that one's closed.
No, that one's open.
That one's open, and then that one's closed.
That one's open. Then two are closed.
Okay, yeah.
That one's opening. No, we don't know how good.
So I'm starting to take the manifold off now. Taking this side radiator panel off. Oh, there it goes. Didn't know it was going to come off so quick. Hang on, let me just go and put this down somewhere over here. Keep everything together. Right, so Morgana's in her box again. Yeah, that's because she's broody. So I've got to take the bolt off there. I've got a few bolts along here to take off as well. And then hopefully we can get the manifold off. And also Dad wants me to take, he's mentioned that I need to take these off here on the top as well. There's 4 of them, so I'll get them off as well. Okay. Right. I don't know where you guys can see, I've actually broke part of the tripod on my GoPro. No idea how, so I need to buy another tripod, which is more money, which I'm not earning at the minute, so...
Oh, you had that?
Well, yeah, I've got to take these bolts out. Let's leave that. Oh, it's going to have to come out. These are really long ones. Look for that, Lil. Big, innit?
Yeah.
And the bolts are out, and boom! Manifold is loose. So there's another job done. Starting to get a lot of jobs done on the Massey now. I'm really happy about that. Yeah, it's quite the project. Knew it would be. Looks like it's going to cost a bit of money to get the engine up and going again though, but it does look pretty clean in there at the minute, so we'll see what we do. We've decided on whether we're going to need a full rebuild kit. We will see when we get further in. There, child's running around me doing loops. Chickens are doing a few dust bathing sessions. Alright, let's take this off now.
Take the rocket shaft.
So we've got that off now, and these are the
Push rods.
push rods. That was the one. Push rods. Push rods are out. One of them's got a bit of rot on there, which could mean anything. Dad said it could mean that means there's water gone in.
Yeah, that was normal, really.
So this is how we're looking now. So now you're taking off the bolts for the head bolt. That's the one, head bolt.
Yeah, and they're gonna not be.
They're going to be seized on, aren't they? So the manifold is off now. I had to take this pipe off as well. I can only record so much because I keep getting so much oil and grease on my hands. I don't want to keep washing my hands every 5 seconds to touch the GoPro. But shut up, Dad. Here we go. So
Yeah, they ain't moving like easy.
I have to put some.
Dollop round them.
Yep.
Take them old injectors.
Right, so the head bolts are now loose, well, most of them. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking them out by hand. So use the long sort of breaker bar to get them off as loose as we can to crack them. So I've got to take each individual one out, and what we're going to do is also we're going to store them in the pattern that they were in. So I'm going to put holes in this cardboard and put them in a pattern so we know which one was which. Let's see if we can hold the GoPro and do this. Probably not. God, I can't do it. I can't do it. So any that I find are really tight, get the longer bar on it, give it a good pull, and then it loosens it off. So now I can use the smaller bar on them. Is that one loose? And that one's rock hard. We're on there. God. You can hear it, can't you? Come on. Hold on, guys. That one's a pig. I'm going to put the GoPro down, two-hand it again. There we go. So now they're hand loose. Can't do them like so. Them head bolts were pretty tight in. There's still probably a few when I get further over that side that will be need breaking off again. It's not the right word, is it? Breaking off. Loosening. Just need to loosen them. So I'm still following my pattern on my cardboard. I'll just show you that, just to give you an actual idea of what I was doing, because I only briefly explained it. So you follow your pattern across middle, and then that one will go there, etc. So the head is starting to move. Dad's hitting it with a hammer and using a bit of metal. She's well on the move now.
Yeah, I hope you're feeling lucky.
Oh,
That's
no.
heavy.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, that's really heavy.
Oh,
Yeah, that ain't gonna be easy.
well, weight moves weight, as they say. You got the weight, so go on, Eddie Hall.
Yeah, you can.
I've angered the bear. Alright, so our dad's getting attacked by the chickens for his biscuit. We've got the head off the Massey now. So you can see it's all rotten there. And I'll
Rusty.
take you in here. Rusty, not rotten apparently. So we've got water in here, which is what we kind of thought. Gonna have to drain all of that out as the next step and clean it all out. And then Dad wants to chuck a load of diesel down the bore and see how we get on. So this is going to be fun. Oh, and you also want me to take the oil filter off and the sump bung as well.
Yeah, and you're going to need a bucket to catch the oil.
And the bucket. Oh yeah, I know that. So I've used a sponge, soaked it all up. Now what I'm using is just old kitchen roll, cleaning them out, getting it all out there as much as we can. Oh, look at that, lovely stuff. Shut that down there a minute. That sponge was handy, I'll tell you that. That was really handy. Some more kitchen roll down there. Right. I'm recording. Come. Just moving it. Better?
Good.
No?
No.
So the plan is to put some WD-40 down first, leave it for a couple of days, then put some diesel in for a couple of days and leave it. Dad sanded these off as much as he can, they need to be smooth, otherwise the pistons will hit, they won't come through. What have you done? Did it fold over on you? What, do you want me to hold it? What, do you want me to hold it?
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
it should have been left where it was before.
Well, it wasn't
Someone's moved
it wasn't stable. So that's why I stood it on its end. Look, I'll hold it.
No, leave it. Move
Look.
around the other way. Mine out of the way. Just mine out
yeah,
of the way.
okay.
Mine out.
Hope you're enjoying the Massey restoration video, and by restoration I do mean getting it up and running, tidying it up a bit as much as we can. So yeah, we're not talking full strip the tin work, you know, full respray. I mean, it'll have a paint, it'll have a good paint. We're not talking, you know, throwing $3 here and there at it. We're going to do a good job. We're going to make it look nice and tidy, get it up and running. So yeah, right, thanks for watching, guys. New to the channel, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos on the Massey. We've got videos on the horse box coming out as well. So yeah, hope you're enjoying them, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.